Welcome everyone. In this session, we're going to talk about KVM installation. KVM packages are part of base repositories because they are with mainstream operating system kernel. You can use the appropriate package manager commands to install the packages. Like if you got Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora, you can use yum. In case you got Debian-like distribution, you can use apt-get. In our case, we are using CentOS 7, and by default there is a CentOS 7 repository configured on my system, which I'm going to use to grab the KVM packages. You can see on screen the commands which I'm running. I'm installing the packages. I'm installing virt-install. Virt-install is a command line utilities to manage the KVM. Then I'm installing qemu-kvm, that's a KVM hypervisor, libvirt, libvirt-python, libguestfs-tools, and virt-manager. After that, I'm enabling and starting the libvirt service. Libvirt is the service which is main service for KVM. So I'm enabling, starting, checking the status. Then I'm taking a clean reboot to ensure everything works after a reboot. Then I'm checking whether required modules for KVM are loaded. For that, I'm simply running modinfo kvm_intel modinfo kvm. It will tell me whether modules are loaded and active. So let's do a quick lab for KVM installation. So guys, this is CentOS 7. Let me show you CentOS release file. This is CentOS 7.4, and let me show you repository configuration. You can see it got default repositories configured, and my system is already connected with internet through vnik1, which I mentioned in lab session. So here I'm going to use yum to install virt-install, qemu-packages, and other file system related utility, and saying yes here. So you can see size is 13 MB and total installation size would be 46 MB approximately. So it will finish in a couple of minutes. Connectivity is good, so things are going at quite good speed. So guys, we got our packages installed. You can see here these packages installed. These were dependencies, so everything good at this stage. Let's enable the libvirt-d service. To enable, use systemctl, enable libvirt-d, and let's start this service. Systemctl start libvirt-d. Started. Let's quickly check the status. Okay, you can see it's active and running. It's enabled for next reboot. Starting, and there are no error messages displayed. Everything looks good at this stage. And as I mentioned, before doing next things, I will take a clean reboot to ensure after reboot the service gets loaded without any issue. So simply do init 6 or reboot. So guys, system is rebooted. Let me check uptime. Yeah, it's rebooted. Let me check whether we are on correct run level. Yeah, we are on run level 3, which is good. So let's check status of libvirt-d service. You can see it's still active and running. Everything is good. So next thing, we have to check whether modules are loaded or not. Modinfo. The first module is KVM. You can see module is loaded. That's good. And second module is KVM Intel. In case you have AMD processor, no need to check for KVM Intel module. So this is Intel processor system. So I'm checking KVM_Intel, and I can see it's loaded. Everything is good, guys. With this, KVM installation is finished successfully. Thank you, guys.